everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a project that's turning head in the crypto world. Are you tired of managing risky crypto portfolios, unreliable staking yields, and scattered DeFi tools? Let me introduce you to Web3 AI, an all-in-one AI-powered platform that's transforming how we interact with blockchain technology. This isn't just another pre-sale, it's a leap toward intelligent, automated, and secure Web3 investing. Stick with me as I walk you through the powerful tool, tokenomics, roadmap, and how you can earn USD instantly through the referral program. First, you have to identify the problem. The Web3 world, although promising, is plagued with major issues. Security threats are growing across DeFi protocols, staking returns are volatile and unpredictable. Investors are forced to juggle between multiple fragmented tools. There is a lack of transparency and true community control in most crypto ecosystem. If you have experienced any of these, you are not alone, and Web3 AI is here to change the game. After identifying the problem, you have to present it the solution. Web3 AI is a next generation platform that merges artificial intelligence and machine learning with blockchain technology, providing a smart, seamless, and secure experience for investors and developers. Whether you are into staking, trading, or building a blockchain, Web3 AI has a tool you need to thrive all in one place. Here you can check it out, the solutions right here. Next, we have their token utility. At the heart of Web3 AI lies in Web3 AI token, fueling its ecosystem with real utility, subscription, unlock premium tools at discounted rate, governance, vote on platform, updated and policies, ecosystem utility, seamless usage across all Web3 AI services. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. What you can actually do with Web3 AI and access powerful AI tools. Unlock higher usage tier and early access and community voting. No gimmicks, no staking tricks, no passive promises, just real built-in utility backed by produced usage, not empty marketing. Next, we have the tokenomics. Here you can check it out, the total supply, pre-sale, liquidity and ecosystem, team and strategic growth, and furthermore, designed for scalability, long-term governance, and active ecosystem participants. You can also read their white paper for better understanding about the Web3 AI token pre-sale. You can also buy these tokens right here. Next, we have their pre-sale. Here you can see their current price is $0.00443 and their listing price is $0.00524. You can also check it out, their return on investment and their listing, and furthermore, this is an amazing platform. Their audit is coming soon. Let's break down the key features that make Web3 AI a must-watch project. AI-powered risk management, real-time threat detection across smart contract, DeFi, and DApps, vulnerability analysis and monitoring to protect user assets, crypto staking advisor. AI-driven recommendations help you earn more by minimizing portfolio volatility, reduced by over 35%, supports multiple chains and real-time rebalancing suggestions, real-time trading insight, fraud detection, market intelligence, and data-backed strategies for optimized traders. Built-in trading bot that adopts so real-time market behavior. AI scam detector and news aggregators stay informed and alert with automated scam warning and personalized crypto news updated. Next, we have their AI token roadmap. The roadmap reflects Web3 AI long-term commitment, Q4 2024 conceptualization, AI model design, Q1 2025 white paper release, platform architecture, initial smart contract development. Q2 2025 is pre-sale launch, team expansion, backend system deployment, and the Q3 to Q4 2025 is SDK API integration, cross-chain staking, beta launch on Web3 AI wallet, and governance tool. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. Next, we have partner in innovation, their token utility, ecosystem partners, and backed by OpenAI, Google Cloud, and furthermore. The vision is clear, build an intelligent, scalable, and community-powered ecosystem. Next, I'm talking about the instant USDT reward. Want to earn passive income? Join the Web3 AI referral program. Connect your wallet, generate your personal referral link, share it with your network, get instant USDT payout with every successful referral, no waiting. A full tutorial is available in the link below. You must check their description. Here you can see the frequently asked question like what is the value of the Web3 AI project for end users, and furthermore. If you have any kind of problem, so you will contact them right here. Now I'm talking about the market potential and trust factor. With AI adoption in Web3 rapidly increasing, Web3 AI stand out by offering real solution, not hype. Already raising millions in its pre-sale, the platform has earned credibility through its strong team, transparent documentation, and community-first approach. Verified audits, token burns, and utility-backed growth model add to the platform's trust and long-term potential. Call to action and don't miss out. Limited time pre-sale and on June 3, 2025, this is your chance to join an AI-driven crypto revolution with immense upside potential. Use the promo code I will write it on my description for a special access and click the link in the description to join the pre-sale, access the referral program, read the roadmap and white paper, follow Web3 AI on social media and stay updated. Here you can see their social platforms. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news and posts right here, and you can also check it out the comments about Web3 right here, and you can also follow them on their Instagram page. This is a fabulous project. I hope you like the video, but before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling you about their amazing project, so do your own research. So if you are looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Web3 with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. It positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. All links are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.